Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for October 11th to the 23rd. For October 11th to the 15th, the pattern starts out here with being highly amplified with the strong ridge here of the Northeast Pacific, trough in the west, ridge here of the Southeast or Western Atlantic with above normal heights in the east. Now, later in the period, this pattern slowly changes. Go to the 15th. And you start seeing this ridge starts building into the west, pushes this trough eastward, and breaks down this ridge over the Western Atlantic. Then now we're going to talk about heavy rainfall from Michael. Now the eastern U.S. may experience a period of heavy rainfall with the combination of Michael and the interaction of an approaching cold front. Guidance continues to vary widely on the track and timing of Michael, so confidence is low with respect to the heaviest rainfall. Then we're going to go further into the period. This would be, let me see, this part of the map isn't working. Then we're going to be looking at what happens to Sergio in the west, and this will bring moisture to portions of the Rockies and the plains. So let me go into another. Okay, we're looking at the GFS. Let me see if I can get. I wish these maps would work. Alright, so here's Michael, and here's the moisture spreading up into portions of the east. And here's the Sergio. So let's see, we're going to go to Saturday, 2 a.m. Moisture starts spreading in here. Sometime today. Okay, so it's not going to load. Also, a clipper system will brush the extreme northern U.S., and this will bring a mostly light rain event and trailing rain and snow over the weekend. We're looking at the period for October 14th to the 18th. Here we're at the 14th. And during this period, let me see if I can get this, the MJO will continue to move through phase 2 late this period and into next, and which can lead to cooling in the east. Now the EPO has taken a big change after being negative for several days, and a change to positive changes where air masses will be moving from a less cold source region. This can lead to a warm-up for the northern central plains. Most of the models depict a western ridge with the eastern trough, with another trough of the Aleutians, and I'll show you that. See trough here, ridge. So now we're going to go we're going to go to the 18th, and you can see here's our trough here in the east, ridge builds into the west, and our trough here over the Aleutians. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for most of the west, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 degrees above normal, because this will be gradually warming up. And then we have below normal temperatures from the plains and into portions of the east central states with forecast anomalies of 4 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region here, and I'm forecasting probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation here and for Florida, and the probability of occurrence is 45%. Next is the period for October 19th to the 23rd. the pattern remains an amplified state, but it kind of switches from what we have. We still have our trough here that will be deepening, ridge here in the west, trough here in the east. And I'm going to go to the end of the period. You can see this is the 23rd. The model is showing some slight difference in the intensity. This is the NAEFS. This is European ensembles. So for this forecast period, forecasting again above normal temperatures for the west, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees, slowly warming up. And then the east central states will be continuing to cool, and I'm forecasting anomalies of up to 6 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and then we have above normal precipitation for the southeast. Probability of occurrence is 45%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for October 11th to the 23rd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.